and welcome to FBIFrames.com. Today we're going to go through the photo voting app. Once you log in, please go to My Frames. You'll see the list of your fan pages, or you'll need to add a fan page. Once you do that, if you don't already have the photo voting app hooked in, click Add Frame. Once you go into Add Frame, you'll see all the options for adding a frame. Under the business apps, photo voting is the first option. You want to click Add. Then you'll see the frame after it's labeled. Click Edit. Once you're within the Edit section of the website, you'll see 5 different options for the photo voting: settings, frame pages, results, colors, and social sharing. The first one is settings. Make sure that you have this box clicked. It makes every single person that comes to your page click like before they can actually go through the rest of your page or the rest of your frames. And this next box is for actually displaying the number of votes for each item. So every time you have an image like this, it'll show the actual number of votes for each one, which is nice because it kind of promotes people for doing it if they see other people are doing it as well. Underneath that, you'll see the rules link and the rules text. So if you have a link for the rules or some additional text, please insert it here. Second is the frame pages. This is where you upload your images that your consumer will see. Like to enter is the very first image. You want this to kind of have some kind of a call to action telling the person to like the page. Again, all of the images need to be 520 pixels width. That's what Facebook gives you in that section, and it'll flow a lot better and look like it's supposed to be there. The next is enter the sweepstakes. Again, 520 width. Select the file. This will be this image that will go in here. Once you have that, you can actually start including all of the options for the fan voting. So this particular one, you'll see the little blue gear, and it'll take you to the title, and then you can actually select a file for this particular one as well. Hit close, and then you do that for however many entrances you want, and click Save. Finally, the last frame within the photo voting is the thank you. Again, this can be an image thanking the person for entering your voting app, and also it can be a link. So the entire image can be a link and take them to wherever you'd like. Again, 520 width in pixels for the image. The third option is the results option. This will be a little bit later, but we'd like to show it to you. What it does is it actually shows you the people who have entered your sweepstakes, and you can actually export it as an Excel spreadsheet. For the colors, you can adjust any of the colors, the background text, the link, and the hover. And then finally, the social sharing. This is where you add your descriptions for the title and your post description within Facebook. Include any image you want for when people share it, that you'll see that image. And then also you have underneath here the discussion wall if you want people to be able to discuss what's going on in the app. So for this particular one, the photo voting, people can get a nice discussion going underneath it. Click that box. And then if you don't want it to show up, the tweet button, click this box right here as well, and that'll disallow anybody from sharing on Twitter. Okay guys, that's the photo voting app from FBI Frames. Once you have everything done that we went through, click Save, and it'll go onto your account. If you haven't already linked it with your Facebook page, you'll see an option. You'll need to do that as well. Thank you.